As you can see, it showed the exact same thing, right? So basically, that's all you need to do. How to make your first $100 per hour on CPA Grip. And this is XB Marketing with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 per hour using Tumblr. I know a lot of people have not heard about Tumblr. Tumblr is actually one of the most popular social media websites in the first world countries, right? And I'm going to show you that this website has a lot of traffic, free traffic. So I'm going to show you how you are going to make conversion, how you are going to get conversions from this website absolutely free. All right, so if you go to socialweb.com and you type in tumblr.com, if you scroll down, you can see is the 70th most popular website in the United States, right, and 96 in the world. And you can see the traffic comes from 47% of the traffic comes from US alone, and the others come from other first world countries, right? So if you notice, these are the countries which usually pays a lot when you get conversions from people who live in these countries, right? So basically in this method, I'm going to show you how to target people from these countries, and then you can start making a lot of money on CPA Grip using from this method. All right, okay, first thing first, you want to create a Tumblr account. All you need to do is go to tumblr.com and make an account. Is pretty simple and straightforward. So once you've made your account and you are in your account, it should look like this, right? You're going to see your profile here. So you want to click on this profile icon. So once you click on that, you want to make sure you click on this plus new, right? So once you click on this plus new, you'll be able to create a new Tumblr blog and Tumblr post. Let me show you an example of what I mean. So this is an example of a blog I created for the purpose of this video. As you can see, I used Peer iPhone cases as the name of this blog, right? As you can see, I post iPhone cases. As you can see, I'm going to show you how you are going to get a lot of traffic to this post, right? Which then you will redirect to your content locker and make money. All right, so once you click on the plus new, okay, now so we have a new blog titled XB example, right? So you want to type the same thing here, okay, and then you click on I'm not a robot and create blog. So as you can see, this is what it's going to look like once you create a new blog on Tumblr. So the first thing you want to do is add post to them, and this post, you are going to get this post from Etsy, right? If you go to etsy.com, then you're going to type in handmade case. So once you type on that, you are going to look for the one that has bestseller, right? So let's go with this example. All right, so as you can see, this is a very good product, and as you can see, it has a lot of reviews. So you want to scroll down and click on this photos from review. So as you can see, these are photos from people who actually bought the product, right? As you can see, these people bought this product, and you can see most of them are all of them are actually 5 stars, which means they actually love this product and they're happy to buy it. So the next thing we want to do now is you are going to get these images. These are the images we are going to be posting on. You can see this is an example of the one I posted in the blog. As you can see, right? So Now, how do you get these images? You want to right click on this and copy the image address, then go back to your Tumblr account that you the new blog you created, and then click on this pencil icon. Then you want to click on photo. Then you want to click on add photo from web. Then you paste in. Alright, now you see the image has appeared. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to copy this review. As you can see, this is a genuine review from someone who bought the product. Then you go back there, you go back to Tumblr and paste in the review. Right, you can make changes to the review if you like. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to add tags to this post. And as we said, from social web, you can see the most people who visit this website are from these 5 countries, right? So what we want to do now is we want to make sure we want to tag this post including these countries. So now this post is about an iPhone case. We'll type in iPhone there, and then we type in phone case. Alright, so as you can see, I've copied and pasted all the tags that I made, right? Because these tags are related to this post, to this product, right? So, and I also included these countries. The next thing you want to do now is you want to link this post to a landing page. So now you're going to come to Google Sites, right? I've made a lot of videos about how to create landing pages or how to create landing pages, yes, on Google Sites. So this is an example. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is copy the text from this Etsy, right? Copy this text and paste it in here, right? And then you want to grab this image, or actually any of the images of this product. You click on copy image address, and then you go to the Google site, and then you click on change image. You click on select image and come to by URL. So once you paste that in there, as you can see, and I click on select, now you can see it changed the image. So basically that's what you need to do. And then the next thing you need to do is you need to click on image carousel, right? Once you click on image carousel, you'll be able to add images, right? Once you click on that, you'll be able to add all the images from here. You can download them to your PC, right, or your phone. If you don't want to download them, you can just copy the image address and then click on add button, click on select image. If I click on by URL, paste it in there, you can see pop the image up. Then click on start image. You can see this is the image here. If I click on update, now you see the images here. So that's what you need to do. So this text is basically the same thing. All you need to do is just type this text out. As you can see, it says click link below now to buy at 50% off for first 50. You can actually use any figure you want. First 50 customers. Promo ends 21st August 2020, noon Eastern Standard Time, right? And you can see we are saying this is the discount they will get. They will buy it at $21.44, which is the actual price on Etsy here, right? But you are going to say the original price is $42.88, and then they are getting 50% discount, right? And now the next thing you want to do is adding a collapsible text. If you click on collapsible text, as you can see, you want to hide it. So if you go back to this page, you can see this is the highlight. You copy this and the details underneath, and then you paste it here, just like I did here, highlight, and then I copy and made material and all that. So you're going to do the same description as well, right? They have a description here. You can copy the whole description, right? So literally that's all you need to do. It's super simple, right? So all you need to do now is the next thing you need, once you've done creating page on Google site, then you go back to your CPA group, and then you click on URL file locker, and then you click on agree, and then you click on continue. Right, so that is how you create a locker that's going to look like this. Because once they come to this page, they're going to see the same name of this Tumblr blog you created. It's going to be, as you can see, this is first example I made right before making this video. As you can see, I also included the tags of these countries, right? So once you've created that, the next thing is going to your CPA group to create a locker, which will redirect them to the actual Etsy page. So now you want to come to style, you want to click on Ctrl A and delete. I have a template here that you can use. Now this is CSS. You want to scroll down to the bottom of this doc file, and then you click on everything, copy it, and then you paste it, and then you go back to the file, scroll up until you see HTML, then you you do the same thing, copy, scroll down, right, so right to the very bottom, you copy that, and then you come to HTML on your CPA grid, Ctrl A, you delete this, and you paste the new one, then you click on refresh. As you can see, it shows the exact same thing, right? So basically that's all you need to do, right? So the next thing, how to change this image in case if you are going with a different product. Maybe let's say you want to go with, maybe you want to go with jewelry, whatever it is, right? If you are going to with this product, right, so let's click on this product. So if you want to promote this product, you click on this, right, and you right click, copy image address, and go back to your CPA grid, and then you scroll up, right underneath here where you see HTTPS, right, you highlight this and stop at JPG, and then you paste it there, and then you click on refresh. As you can see, the same image popped up. So if you want to change this text to the same thing, you're just going to look for where this text is in this box, in this section of the HTML, right? So we are looking for where Pearl iPhone cases store is. As you can see, this is it here, right? So let's say Pearl jewelry store, and then you click on refresh. You can see it changed as well. So that's literally all you need to do. You can change anything, just look for whatever any of this text is in here, and then you change it. So that's all you need to do to make changes to this page, right? And this begin download, you need to come to general, and then you change to begin download to complete an offer, right? Complete an offer. If you want them to complete 2 offers, the same thing, you have to indicate it there, complete 2 offers, right? So it's up to you, it's up to how you want, it's up to what you want, all right? And then the next thing you want to do is you want to copy this page. Oh, I missed the page. Okay, if this was the product, all you need to do is just copy the page to this product, copy it, and then paste it here, so that once they complete the offer, they'll be redirected where they can buy the actual product. And then you click on create. So once you click on create, you click on get links, and then copy the link, and you go back to your Google site page, right? And then you want to highlight this link to your CPA grid blocker, right? You want to copy it there and then paste it, then apply. So for this iPhone case, you want to send them to this page, right? So you want to publish. So once you publish, you want to publish this first. So once I publish this, and then I click on get the publish site link, copy the link and go back to my Tumblr, right? And then go back to the post and highlight the post and then click on this link button, and then I paste the link, click on done, right? And click on post, right? That's all you need to do, right? So if they click on this post, you see it brings them to this page, right? It brings them to this page, and once they click on this, it takes them to our locker. So basically that's all you need to do in this method or in a nutshell. And if you find any value in this video at all, don't forget to smash that button and share this video with anybody who would find it useful. And having said that, I'll catch you in another video. Peace and love.